everyone, hope you're all doing well. So we're just about to launch, well we have as we speak, our new little design we've come up with, myself and Johnny from Foxy Slingshots. I've talked about it before in previous videos, so we're ready to go now, and it's called the Needy Sniper. So this was the prototype John sent me a while ago, so I've been having a play with it, coming up with we've modified it a little bit. I've not actually got John's finished G10 model, because what we've done, I'll add a picture up, is this is 10mm thick, so we wanted to go a little bit thicker, so he's added a white liner to the JG10. So effectively it's JG10 white liner, so that would be the G10 would be sandwich each side, brass pins, and the new one's going to come with a brass lanyard, you know, hole, so you can put a lanyard in, and yeah, so it's going to be 13mm thick, and then you can go from basically what width you want really. So they're made to order, so you can do 80, 85, 90. He's just finished I think he's finished a couple of 90s, and he's just finished 100 for a customer as well. So like I say, this is the prototype one. I will stick a picture in of the finished product. They look very nice, and this is my custom one he did for me with my mosaic horse pin that I like in my little frames he does. This is G10 back. We've got my Carter front or face, brass pins, and this is the brass lanyard holes you're going to be fitting on the new ones. Like I say, this is a custom one. The standard ones are going to be, when I say standard, they're still a good frame, are going to be jade G10, and they're going to be like something, I think they're like 55 quid posted, and you can have it made to order what size you want. I think that's a good little frame for the money. Like I say, this is just a prototype one, so I will stick a picture in, but equally I don't want to promise people something like that for 55 quid, because obviously it's my Carter, so this one's just a bit more fancy, a custom job. But speak to John, go on Foxy Slingshots, have a message of him, have a look what he does, and I'm sure he can make you any material you want really, but obviously more different material, the obviously price goes up. But for a standard JG10 with brass pins, I think he's looking at 55 quid posted, which is in the UK, so that's a cheap little frame. Alright, just a short quick one. Thanks all, and I'll see you on the next one.